Hi, everybody. This is Dan McCollam from soundsofthenations.com. Many of you have asked to hear some more instruments from my world music collection. And today I have a percussion instrument with me. Now, realize that in the studio, my nickname was Rhythmless Child, so drums aren't my strong point. But I have this Udu drum. I love the Udu drum. It's originally from Africa, from Nigeria, but it's also used in India and other places around the world. It's basically just a clay pot or a water pot that then has this hole in the side of it. And by striking the hole, you get this water drop sound. And then you also make the higher tapping noises. So I'm going to play a little bit on the Udu drum for you, and I hope you like it. Here we go. There you go. That's a little bit from the Udu drum. Now, you can hear Udu drum on some of our South African CDs. You can also hear it on India CDs. So go right now to soundsofthenations.com and join the Global Song of the Month Club. It's absolutely free, and I think you're going to love it. All right, catch you next time.